Today I wanted to look at Chaise Longue by a band called Wet Leg. In its core, this is a 2-chord song just using the chords G major and C major. It's got a cool bass line, and these guys went viral last year and they've been playing a ton of festivals. I saw them at Primavera Festival in Barcelona and they were fantastic, so I wanted to do this song. Let me know if you want me to teach any more songs by this great band in the comments below, and also if you want me to teach any songs that you've seen a band play live either at a festival or a gig this year, because it's super exciting now, gigs are back again and they're a thing again. But the song actually starts with this bass line, which we can play on acoustic or electric guitar. That's all on one string, going from a G note to a C note at the 3rd fret, sliding up to the 8th fret. So that's from a G to a C, and it's really important that we slide, because we actually want that sound of a slide as well. And we play this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's a bar and a half of the G and then 2 beats of the C. So we count that, because this is eighths. We count that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, slide, and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then that just repeats basically for the whole song. So it just takes a little bit of practice to get perhaps that up to speed or anything. But the chords underneath that are the G major chord and the C major chord. You could even do a quick version using this big G and then to a C add 9, which can be an easier chord change. And we kind of want to do it in this following fashion. Or with the other way. That's just hitting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for every per bar, so it's just 8th notes again, it's 8th strumming. And the same timing as we would change the bass note. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Same if you were doing the C add 9. The song even starts with this little drum part. So we got 2 bars there. And then the bass note kicks in. So once you've got either the chords or that bass note, you actually play along to this really easy by just hitting play, counting in the 2 bars, and then joining in with that bass line. And that's all you're working towards with the rhythm parts to this song, but there is a really cool lead that you can play again on electric or acoustic guitar. This is how I'd play it on acoustic. On electric, I'd be playing that an octave higher, which is how it's played on the recording, but it's kind of too high, because this acoustic guitar doesn't have a cutaway. So now you know why some guitars and some acoustic guitars have that cutaway section here. So you can play really high. This one doesn't have one, but it doesn't stop us playing it. We just play it an octave lower. It's 3rd fret to 4th fret to 3rd fret on string 3 and 2. So 3, 4, and then 3, just on a string down. Still on string 2. 3rd finger playing fret 6, and then string 1 is the 3rd fret, played with the 1st finger. So fret numbers wise, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3. Second time round, 3, 4, 3, 5 to 3 on string 4, that is, on the D string. Starts the same. 5 to 3. And then we fill in all the notes once you've got the rhythm of it. Again, try and play along to the original to get along to the rhythm, because this is indie. It's sort of grab your guitar and have a go. This is the entire purpose of the genre. You want to just fill in, same as we were doing with the strumming with eighth notes. And if we were doing that higher up, it is literally exactly those same finger motions, but 12 frets up, which would be at the 15th fret to 16th fret. And then you can kind of see, use that same fretboard shape and play it up there. Again, much higher. Much easier higher up on electric guitar, and that's kind of the idea of electric guitar as well. It is much easier to have those lead lines, but I wanted to make this as accessible as possible, so we're doing it on acoustic. Let me know what other songs, as I say, you would like from people who've headlined festivals or from gigs you've been to this year, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye for now.